He is now 82 years old. If we accept the fact that he may not have long, I hope with all my heart that he leaves this world not in the presence of officials who visit him on the pretext of a pseudo welfare check, but instead in the company of the people he loves and who truly care for him. Since none of us here can even hope to match his patriotism, let us at least strive to be half as nation-loving as he was, as he still most certainly is. Kung gusto po natin magpakita ng malasakit sa ating dating Pangulong Duterte, ang nakikita ko pong isa sa mga solusyon ay masuportahan ng bulwagang ito ang kanyang interim release. Ay hindi naman sobra, lalo na't magpapasko na. I am asking this not just as a senator, but as a Filipino who believes that one of the best, most patriotic among us who ever lived does not deserve to spend his remaining years in a foreign prison that does not even speak his language.